Survivalist here, and today we are going to be exploring some more nature. Nature can be a beast. You want to see some beast shots? Beast mode, it's active. Beast mode. So, today we're going to be exploring more jungle, deserted area. Look, nowhere. You can't see civilization anywhere. No type of land on a desert biome. Hey, what's that? Shh. I hear an owl. We're good. It's okay. You've got to always be aware of nature sometimes. Be aware of the raspberries. They'll kill you like snap! Raspberries. I hate them. Stupid things. Who even created a raspberry? Hey, guys, I found a shelter. There's a light! Whoa. This is hard to find in nature. Raspberries are hard to find in nature. Hey, shut up. It's evil in here. Wowie. Some deserted island. Raspberry. Not so bad. Ooh. Ew. Actually, ought to harvest these things. These things are perfect. Set this down for a moment. You won't be seeing much. What kind of plants are these? Oh, raspberry. Look at these things. Very rare. Yeah. Gotta pick all of them. Oops. Hard to find. Scavenge all of it. Oh, I dropped one. Look at these bad boys. Hard to find in nature. Step on them to make sure they're ripe. Moisten these suckers up. We'll be back for them later. Look, a sign of life. Not that, you imbeciles. Look, I just noticed there's a house right here. Houses are very hard to find in nature, but if you know the right way to look. Whoa, look at this. It's a hole. Might mean something. Ear itch. I hate them, just like I hate raspberry. Hey, what happened here? Nature. That's what happens when you don't care enough to think about it. About what, you might ask? Nature. Keep that secret. Hey, shop. Found a stick. Stupid. Now these are the sticks you want to beat on trees. trees are like raspberries. I don't know how, but get that tree. Stupid. Whoa! Take it easy there, mate. Sometimes in nature you might come across... Oh, my phone's soaking wet now. You know what else is soaking wet? Raspberries. I hate raspberries. Gotta clean off my screen now. Soaking wet. Now what am I gonna do? Die? No. That's not how a true nature survivalist is. Ooh. That actually might be bad. My phone is okay. You know why? Because I'm nature survivalist. And I know how to fix everything. Everything. We are back in my front yard being... Wait. Sorry to end that video so short. That one's gone. Shh. Shh. You hear that? Raspberries. Whoa. Look at that. Wow. We almost found something there. But those are not healthy. So, suck. Just shut up. Die. Nature. Beautiful place. Scared you, didn't I? Look at this. What have we got here? It might be a trop. You know, I think about trops or raspberries. What can this do? Nothing. Just put new batteries in it. You got to scavenge on the plants, you know I was already in here. I might have missed some though. Do you see any missing plants? Dora does. Right here. Right there. Look at all those plants. Oh wait. Look what I found. Bloody old clippers. Gosh. Is this a plant? Nothing's growing in it. Alright. There I am. Didn't see me there, did ya? I'm Nature Survivalist. And this has been Nature Survivalist Part 3. What do you think I'm looking at over there? Stoico! You'll see in the next video, which will be out next week. Nature Survivalist here. I'm Nature Survivalist. I say Nature Survivalist. This is Nature Survivalist. I hope you enjoyed Nature Survivalist. And Nature Survivalist will be back. Next I say Nature Survivalist too much. Alright, Nature Survivalist out. And enjoy it. No. It can't be. Ah! It's just a leaf. Sneak peek for the next episode. What have we got here? I hear something. Where could it be? Let's go find out. I heard something out there. Couldn't be good.